Namaste everyone. Good morning. Who all are here? Gaurav. Hi, Akshita, Sonal, Lavanya, Mr. Pathak, Vishal, Tushar, Vishal, Preeti, Salu, Sheetal, Samiksha, Dimple, Divya, Roshni, Archana, Akanksha. Lovely to see you all, one and all. Welcome to day 3 of Master Your Money Mindset. How is it going, guys? Till now, Aaj 2 दिन हो गए. Today is the 3rd day. What are the changes? Okay, fine, not changes, but what are the realizations that you are having yesterday, especially when you did that writing letter to Lakshmi? Oh my God, I must tell you, when I read your letters in the WhatsApp group, I got so emotional. Few of the letters made me cry also. I had tears. That so sweetly you've put your heart and soul into that letter. Trust me, if Lakshmi was like listening, and if I would have been Lakshmi, I would have run into your house. It was such beautiful letters you have written. Great job, guys. Great job. Good going. And all those who have not written and have not posted, please increase your vibe and increase the vibe of the group by posting it. And you've not done it, do it. It is a great feeling when you write all those things. It comes from your subconscious mind and you improve your relationship with money each day. Lovely. Thank you. Thanks. Tushar is saying it's feeling awesome. Great feeling. Lakshmi, feeling awesome. Affirmation audio. Ujjwala, come on day 5, Saturday. We'll let you know about all the music and affirmation and everything. Okay. Beautiful. Now with that, let's get started with our day 4. There's so many things that are lined up for you. So without any further ado, let's get started of how to change your money vibration. So quick recap इसलिए जरूरी है so that the concept stays in your mind for long and you do not forget it. Money is energy. अब सब लोग मतलब ये मंत्र chant करो. Money is energy. Currency of money is your feelings, your vibration, your frequency, not that cash lying in your bank account. It means nothing. It's just a paper. Your energy is your feeling. Money is spiritual. It is, it is not good. It is not bad. It's how you use it makes you feel good or bad. Money is abundant everywhere. My universe has no limitations for you based on age, experience, size, education. Then what did we do? We also did an assignment of finding our money beliefs, the story, and then we did writing letter to Lakshmi. That's what you did yesterday. Then now coming to the law of attraction and money. We did law of attraction and money yesterday, wherein we understood that what you think about money, what you feel about money, what you speak about money is what you get. And then we did prayer for abundance. We will do it today also. We'll do again prayer for abundance. Everybody put your feet flat on ground. This is how I do, back straight and sending my prayers into the universe. Thank you, universe, for helping me reinterpret my relationship with money. I know my lacking thoughts are based on fear, and I am ready to release them now. I welcome new and creative abundance, and I will pay close attention to the guidance I receive. I am free from my financial fear. I am abundant. Thank you. Thoughts are planted. Now, how to change your money vibration to receive abundance? Now, let's understand about receiving money. How do you receive money? If you know about law of attraction and if you have read the book Secret, अगर यहाँ पे से कोई है जिसने सीक्रेट नहीं पढ़ी है, I would recommend each and every one of you to start your reading with the book Secret. It is life changing. सीक्रेट में मेन थीम क्या है सीक्रेट की? ask, believe and receive, right? Ask from universe what you want, have clarity कि आपको चाहिए क्या, and then believe that it will come to you, and believe that it is already given. Whatever you want is already there in the universe. आप जो चीज चाह रहे हो ना, पता है universe के लिए क्या है वो? I'll just show you with this thing so that you believe in it. For universe, what you want, this is universe, okay? The whole empty space is universe, and what you want, your desire is a dot for universe to give you, just a dot. इतना ही आप मांग रहे हो बस. So because whatever you want already यहाँ पे यूनिवर्स में है, किसी ना किसी के पास है, या the money, happiness, peace, जो भी आप मांग रहे हो, it is already there in the universe. You are not asking something weird that does not even exist on this planet. You're not asking for anything like that, right? So what you want, what you're asking, believe that it is already there, it is given to you. The moment you ask, universe has given it. Now, why have you not received it? If it is already given, it is abundant, why it is not with you? That means you need to be open. You need to match the vibe, the frequency to receive the money. Jitna paisa aapko chahiye na, it is vibrating at a frequency which is high frequency here. And if your feelings, your thoughts are vibrating at this level, वो match नहीं हो रहा है, that's why you're not receiving. पैसा तो दे दिया यूनिवर्स ने, जो आप बोल रहे हो वो है, but वो इस frequency पे है. So now you have to be in that receiving mode, open to receive, and be in that frequency, match it to receive money. So understand this, guys. Universe has already given you the amount of money you desire, but are you open to receive it subconsciously and vibrationally? That is the point, and that's what we are going to focus on. So always talk in ab ye aap language mein baat mat karna aaj se. It's not about earning, it's not about doing lot of effort, struggle, खून पसीना, हार्ट. वो तो लेबर भी कर रहे हैं ना, लेबर तो खून पसीना करके इतनी मेहनत करते हैं, बिल्डिंग बना रहे हैं, तो उनको तो सबसे ज्यादा पैसा उनके पास होना चाहिए, right? So it's not about earning or effort or doing. It's also not about just being aware of your thoughts is the first step. But what is it about? Receiving. It's abundance को attract करने के लिए, it's more about receiving your vibrational frequency, your thinking, and your feelings, how do you feel when you think the thought about money. अब मैं जब एक एक्सरसाइज आपसे करवाऊंगी, तब आपको आज है या कल है, आई थिंक मोस्टली टुमारो, देन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर यू वाइब्रेटिंग एट, what are your feelings, what are your thinking when different episodes regarding money happens. Okay, so understand the language of money is receiving, vibration, thinking, and your feelings, not about earning, effort, doing, and just being aware. Yes, today only this is the exercise, and I'm happy it is today. So money has two vibrations. One is plenty. या तो आपका वाइब्रेशन होगा अबंडेंस वाला, या आपका वाइब्रेशन होगा लैक और स्कैरसिटी. आपको भी पता चल जाएगा कि मोस्टली क्या हो रहा है. एंड यू ऑलवेज विल गेट व्हाट यू थिंक एंड फील अबाउट मनी. So you can, the good news is that you can still make that change. You can shift your vibration to tune into the money, abundance, receiving energy. So let's see, first of all, current status kya hai hamari vibration ka. Let's see that. Everybody, can you take a notebook and a pen, please? And write it down. Your every answer will have A or L. A for abundance, L for lack. मैं आपको क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी, आप उसका आंसर ए और एल में देना. ओके, एंड देन लेटर ऑन आई विल आस्क यू टू कमेंट समथिंग. अभी कमेंट मत करिएगा. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट्स योर मनी बिलीफ taking this quiz. Number 1, how do you feel when you look at your bank account? Feeling, huh? और ये अभी 2 दिन जो सेशन किए वो भूल जाओ, जो आप पहले थे वैसे ही बन जाओ. एंड यू हैव टू बी ब्रूटली ऑनेस्ट विद योरसेल्फ, बिकॉज यू आर डूइंग इट फॉर योरसेल्फ, नॉट टू शो ऑफ टू एनीवन. You feel lack or you feel abundant? Write it down. A or L. Next, things would get better if I had more money. अगर ऐसा थॉट आया है आपके माइंड में, जो कि सबके माइंड में मोस्टली आता है, राइट? काश अगर इससे ज्यादा पैसा होता तो सब चीजें कितनी ठीक होती. इज इट एन अबंडेंट थॉट और इज इट अ लैक थॉट? सैड होके बोलते हो, राइट? नेक्स्ट, यू कैन हैव लव और मनी बट नॉट बोथ. कहीं ना कहीं क्या ये बिलीफ है, जो आपने सुना है कि रिलेशनशिप खराब होती है, ज्यादा पैसा आता है, प्यार कम हो जाता है, पैसा बीच में आता है रिलेशनशिप के. लैक थॉट और एन अबंडेंट थॉट, ये क्या है? आई डू नॉट डिजर्व अ लॉट ऑफ मनी व्हेन अदर्स हैव लेस देन मी. क्या ये आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में कहीं ऐसा बिलीफ है जहाँ पे आप फील करते हो ये कि यार कितना कम है लोगों के पास लाइफ में, and that's why I don't deserve a lot of money when others have less than me. Abundant है या lack thought है? If you've thought like this before, it's a lack thought. Okay. Next, you should not tell others how much money you have or you make. नजर लग जाएगी, कम हो जाएगा पैसा. जैसे ही मैंने बोला मेरे पास कितना पैसा है, उसी महीने से पैसा कम होने लगता है. अगर आपको ऐसा whatever, and you don't want to reveal how much you make and have, what does that show? Is it an abundant thought or is it a lack thought? What do you feel when you receive money? You feel abundant or you feel lack? And what do you feel when you spend money? Honestly, okay, be honest. When you have to, आपके पॉकेट से पैसा जाता है, अकाउंट से पैसा जाता है, चाहे वो किसी भी चीज के लिए हो, टैक्स हो, बिल्स हो, for things or anything, how do you feel abundant or you feel lack when you spend money? What do you feel when you ask for money? अगर आपको किसी से पैसा मांगना पड़ता है, आपकी कैसी फीलिंग होती है? abundant फीलिंग होती है या lack होती है? What do you feel when you are around people with more money? Do you feel insecure, jealousy? You feel small in your own self? abundant है कि lack है ये? What do you feel when you are around people who charge money? Have you said this before, like this thing he should have given at free of cost? Why is he charging money for this guru should charge free, he's charging money is bad. मतलब कोई इफेक्टिव नहीं होगा इसका रिजल्ट. और he always charges, मनी माइंडेड है ये बहुत. So what do you feel when you are around people who charge money? You feel lack or you feel abundant? Next, what do you feel when you see the price of something you like? You feel abundant that you can easily afford, or you feel lack that it's expensive, unaffordable? What do you feel when you spend money on yourself for your growth, self-investment? Abundant lack. People are very good in spending for others, for kids, for family, but when it comes to their own self, they think twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times. lack or abundant. And the next is when you see price of something that goes up, you're always waiting for discounts, deals, bargain. There are more questions, guys. जो क्योंकि screen भर गई थी, मैं लिख नहीं पाई. There are more questions like, what do you feel around people? You know, when you see luxury, when you see rich people having, you know, that life, that successful life that they are living, traveling, holiday, luxury, you feel about yourself. What do you feel? Lack or abundant? So there are many, these are the main important questions. Now count all your A's and count all your L's and write it in the comment. How many A you got? How many L's you got? Be okay. Yeah, even when I did this, my L's were more, guys. That was 2 years back. So mostly, yeah. So that shows, अब आपको पता चल गया ना कि क्या vibration है. What is the vibration of you are having? Lack hai, right? That's why wherever you've landed in your life right now, it's because of that only. So now the good news is you are aware of your vibration and now you can change it to match the frequency. तो वो इतना easily नहीं होगा, एक दिन में नहीं होगा, because ये बहुत सालों की beliefs हैं, conditioning about money जो कि that has been passed down to you from generations. तो एक दिन में नहीं होगी, बट स्टिल बहुत सारा चेंजेस आप फील करोगे अभी, राइट नाउ ऑल्सो. Now you can, like I said, you can change your point of attraction, your vibration you can change. How? By changing your negative train of thoughts and beliefs about money. जो कि ना बहुत सारे थॉट्स आते हैं ये सब मनी के बारे में, इसको हमें चेंज करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि इफ यू वांट टू अट्रैक्ट abundance, abundance will not come in lack, negative, scarcity thought. So you need to begin a new pattern in your life. अभी आपका क्या पैटर्न है? वही सोचते आए हैं, वही टाइम पे उठ रहे हैं, वही टाइम वही लोगों से मिल रहे हैं, वही खाना खा रहे हैं, वही टाइम पे सो रहे हैं. एक पैटर्न बन रहा है आपका. That's why, that's, you know, people are used to living their robotic life, their own way of thinking, not ready to change, and then whole life is like spent like that only in mediocre way. So now the time has come that the good news is you can start a new pattern, a new way of thinking, a new way of living, a new set of beliefs, and you can start telling a new story to your own self, to your own mind. अभी आप इतने टाइम से पता है क्या स्टोरी बोलते आ रहे हो अपने आप को? मनी इज लैक, मनी इज स्कैरसिटी, ये जो सब हमने अभी किया है, ये सारे जो आंसर्स आपने दिए, यही स्टोरी हम अपने आप को बोलते आ रहे हैं. नाउ वी नीड टू टेल अ न्यू स्टोरी टू आवरसेल्फ, new pattern we need to make, and that will help you to achieve a different vibration, that where that money that you want is vibrating at that level. So how to do that? There is a brilliant exercise that we are going to do today, which is called money neuroplasticity exercise. So neuroplasticity word itself has word plastic है उसके अंदर. प्लास्टिक का क्या वो होता है फीचर? कैसे भी करके मोल्ड हो जाता है, फ्लेक्सिबल होता है, राइट? And neuro is brain. So our brain cells are like that. You can mold, they are moldable, formable. जैसा आप नया रास्ता बनाओगे वैसा new cells बन जाते हैं brain में. New neuro cells can be formed when you are doing a practice consistently. That's the form of our cells. You can Google neuroplasticity, you'll get a lot of information about it. So now that we know that we can, our brain is moldable, foldable, so let's do an exercise which will help us to train our mind to think positive about money. So for that we will need one thing, and which is a rubber band. I'll show you. So can anyone, can all of you just go quickly and fetch a rubber band like this? आपके या तो ग्रोसरी स्टोर में, आपके सॉरी किचन में कहीं ना कहीं मिल जाएगा आपको ऐसा रबर बैंड. We need this rubber band like this. Not very tight, not very loose. And it's okay if you cannot get, you can just watch me. बाद में भी कर सकते हो, पर अगर ले आ सकते हो तो well and good. I'm giving you 30 seconds. Go quickly, get it. And if you are ready, do type in ready. A lot of you are ready. Okay, so I'll start. जिसके पास नहीं है, do not worry, बाद में कर लेना. No worries, no worries, Pankaj. Just watch. So what you have to do is, it's a 4-step process. इसमें क्या करना है ना, हमें अपने नेगेटिव थॉट्स को ट्रेन करना है कि वो हम ज्यादा से ज्यादा पॉजिटिव सोचें. क्योंकि क्या है ना, अभी फॉर अस थिंकिंग नेगेटिव हैज बिकम वेरी नेचुरल. एफर्ट नहीं करना पड़ता है हमको नेगेटिव सोचने के लिए, वो ऑटोमेटिक थॉट्स आते हैं. बट पॉजिटिव सोचना इज एन एफर्ट. यू हैव टू वर्क टूवर्ड्स इट. सो यू हैव टू ट्रेन योर माइंड कि हर सिचुएशन में आप पॉजिटिव सोचो. सो कैसे ट्रेन करेंगे? So because you know, like imagine you are the head boy, head girl of your body, I mean of your brain, and आपके सारे बॉडी के जो सेल्स हैं वो आपके कमांड पे चलते हैं. You are the head boy, head girl, and all the cells, tissues are commanding. They are the soldiers. They are taking your instructions. So whatever thoughts you will think, this whole body is responding to it. They are in command of you. So when on top, सबसे top पे अगर command आएगा, जो head boy head girl करेगी, and if these are positive, it will have impact on the vibration of your body. All your cells will be vibrating with positivity, and that will help you to train yourself to think positive. Okay, so army hai ye, like imagine it's an army. You're a head boy head girl commanding all cells. Think positive. So starts with your mind. Number 1 step, what will happen is, first you will put the rubber band on your wrist like this. Please not too tight, not too loose. मतलब blood clot ना हो जाए, इतना tight मत पहन लेना. Next is, whenever you get negative thought, सबसे पहले तो आपको aware होना है कि ये negative thought आया है about money. Like when you see your bank account, or when you have to pay the bills, या किसी को पैसा देना है और आप या कोई पैसा चार्ज कर रहा है तो आप अच्छा फील नहीं कर रहे हो, किसी का प्राइस टैग है एक्सपेंसिव, आप अच्छा नहीं फील कर रहे हो. All these are negative lack thoughts that is happening. Okay, so as soon as you recognize a lack thought, a negative thought, you have to give a sting to yourself. अपने आप को एक sting देना है, ऐसे रबर को खींच के छोड़ना है ऐसे. Now लगती है थोड़ा सा, राइट? अब हमें है ना फिजिकल बॉडी और माइंड मेंटल कनेक्शन बना रहे हैं. योर माइंड इज गेटिंग एन इंडिकेशन कि यार ये लगी मुझे. आपने जब स्टिंग दिया ना, योर माइंड इज गेटिंग अ सिग्नल दैट समथिंग रॉन्ग आई हैव डन. व्हाट रॉन्ग आई हैव डन? आई हैव थॉट नेगेटिव, मेरे को नेगेटिव थॉट आया है. दैट इज योर फर्स्ट स्टेप. ओके, बीइंग अवेयर एंड गिविंग अ स्टिंग. Now, the second step is, as soon as you are aware of your negative thought and you give a sting, now you have to convert it into a positive thought. या तो आप पेन पेपर लेके करो, या अपने माइंड में ही उसको चेंज करो. तो उसका ऑपोजिट थॉट आपको सोचना है. So if the negative thought, oh God, again the bill has come, it's too much an amount to pay, what will I do for the rest of my month? whatever, मैं तो सब एग्जाम्पल दे रही हूँ, आपका कुछ और हो सकता है. Whatever negative thought, उसको अब आप पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट करो. इसको कहते हैं pivoting. All Rise and Shine members, you know that. Now pivoting is the positive thought, आपको उसके against लिखना, उसका opposite. So you can say like, fine, I have to pay this bill, but I'm super excited about the abundance that is flowing into my life. I'm super excited about Lakshmi walking on my doors, that I'm abundant, and see huge amount of money flowing into your account. Get excited, guys. Create that excitement. I am excited about possibilities that this universe has for me, and I'm working towards it. And I'm so happy to give this money to someone who needs it. Maybe with this money, that person will be able to feed his family. तो अब आपका जो नेगेटिव थॉट है ना, अरे पैसा जा रहा है, या नेगेटिव थॉट आया आपके मन में, तो आपने उसको कन्वर्ट कर दिया ब्लेसिंग्स में. आपने किसी को ब्लेस कर दिया, आपने या तो एक्साइटेड हो गए अबाउट द अबंडेंस. एंड अगर आपने प्राइस देखा कि कोई अफोर्डेबल नहीं है, एंड यू फील विश आई कुड हैव बॉट, say this, I'm excited about the possibilities, about the abundance, and soon I'm going to buy this. Right now maybe I don't want to buy this. Don't say I can't afford it. Right now I'm choosing not to buy it, but soon I'm going to buy it, and feel happy about it, about the possibilities, about excitement. Okay, so this is how you convert your positive into negative thought. And the third step is, once you have converted successfully and you feel better, आप अपने आप को थोड़ा सा ऐसे करास करना. लव योर सेल्फ, बिकॉज आपने पनिशमेंट दिया था अपने आप को नेगेटिव सोचने के लिए, तो पॉजिटिव सोचने के लिए यू हैव टू गिव रिवॉर्ड. सो हग योर सेल्फ, पैट ऑन योर शोल्डर्स, डू दिस, गुड जॉब, यू आर ऑसम, व्हाटएवर इट इज. ओके, this is the, sorry, this was the fourth step. So the first step is awareness of the thought. Second step is the sting. Third step is converting into positive, and fourth is caressing. That these are the 4 steps. How many of you think that this is powerful and is going to help you and you're going to try? I'll tell you, when I used it, मेरा पूरा red हाथ ना, ये वाला हथेली पूरी रेड हो गई थी कुछ दिन के लिए, क्योंकि मैंने ये यूज किया था सारे नेगेटिव थॉट्स के लिए. आप चाहे मनी के लिए कर सकते हो, पर ये एक्सरसाइज आप सारे नेगेटिव थॉट्स के लिए कर सकते हो. इट वॉज रेड 1 day 2 day 3 day 4 day 5 तक तो रेड हो गया था, बट इवेंचुअली ना 5th day से मेरा ये कम होते गया. लिस्टिंग started reducing. मुझे ऐसा लगा कुछ दिन ऐसे हो जा रहे थे जब नेगेटिव थॉट्स आ ही नहीं रहते, एक भी स्टिंग नहीं पड़ा था मुझे. And slowly I realized that now I've become ruthlessly positive person, कि मैं नेगेटिव सिचुएशन में भी पॉजिटिव निकाल के ले आती हूँ. इतना ट्रेन हो गया है माइंड. तो वो आपको, आपका जो माइंड में एक नेगेटिव पाइप है और एक पॉजिटिव पाइप है. अभी क्या है, पॉजिटिव पाइप बहुत श्रिंक है, छोटा, और नेगेटिव पाइप बहुत बड़ा है. जब आप अपने माइंड को ट्रेन करोगे ना, तो धीरे धीरे पॉजिटिव पाइप बढ़ता जाएगा, एक्सपैंड हो जाएगा. एंड दैट टाइम विल आल्सो कम इन योर लाइफ व्हेन यू विल टेल द सेम थिंग टू मी, दैट शिल्पा, आजकल नेगेटिव थॉट्स नहीं आते, और आते भी हैं तो आई सी पॉजिटिव इन इट, आई क्विकली टर्न इट इनटू पॉजिटिव. That time will also come, but you have to train your mind for it. Okay, it's super powerful. And the thing is, if you don't have to tell anyone why are you wearing, what are you doing with it. आप उसको छुपा सकते हो, या आपको ये फैशन के हिसाब से अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, इसके ऊपर घड़ी पहन सकते हो, या यू कैन बाय अ बेटर रबर बैंड जो कि स्किन कलर का हो या दिख नहीं रहा है. The idea is not to punish yourself, the idea is to be aware and to train your mind. Okay, Lovely. This is one of my favorite exercise, जो कि मुझे इसको सिखाने में बड़ा मजा आता है, क्योंकि it is life changing. I know बहुत लोगों ने इसका, काफी लोगों को इससे फायदा हुआ है to train their mind positive, क्योंकि हर चीज आपके थॉट से स्टार्ट होती है. आपने अगर अपना थॉट चेंज कर लिया ना, तो आपके फीलिंग्स चेंज होंगे, और हमें थॉट और फीलिंग ही हायर वाइब्रेशन पे चाहिए, राइट? सो दिस इज व्हाट इज द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ मनी न्यूरोप्लास्टिसिटी एक्सरसाइज टू अट्रैक्ट abundance. Lovely, guys. And today's money affirmation is, write that you have to write for 15 times bringing your all five senses into it while you are writing without distraction, which is I decide to be happy first to receive more money. बहुत लोग उल्टा कर रहे हैं गाइस, आप वैसे मत बनना. पीपल आर थिंकिंग जब मेरे पास पैसा आ जाएगा, इतना पैसा, तब मेरी लाइफ सही होगी और तब मैं खुश होऊंगा. या when I get this desire, this goal, this business, this health, ये सब मिल जाएगी, then I'll be happy. Law of attraction doesn't work like that. Law of attraction says be happy first. Raise your vibration so that money chase you and you don't have to chase money or anything that you want. So first comes happiness. तो कैसे happiness लाओगे आप? Do high vibrational activities. किससे आपकी vibes बढ़ती हैं? Is it dancing, music, getting up early in the morning in Brahma Muhurat, or painting, drawing, going out in nature, talking to a friend, going for a spa, whatever it is, okay? First, be happy with whatever you have and then be ready to receive more money. Let me tell you, I was not a happy person. मेरा personal story ये है कि मेरा husband मुझे बोलता था आज से 3 साल पहले कि मतलब तुम किसी चीज में खुश क्यों नहीं हो सकती हो. I was like that because मैं हर चीज में ये करती थी, अरे यार इसमें क्या है, इतना क्या लोग खुश हो रहे हैं इस चीज को लेके, इसमें क्या है, इसमें क्या है. I used to say like that and he was like, what makes you happy, Shilpa? And then I made a conscious decision to change myself. Every night before sleeping, मैं अपने एक journal करती थी जिसमें मैं लिखती थी I am a happy person, I exude happiness, people feel my energy, my happiness vibration when I talk to them, I exude. ये मैंने 3 साल पहले लिखना स्टार्ट किया, कंटिन्यूअसली मैंने 1-2 महीने ये लिखा है. And now you see me. This is a new version of Shilpa in front of you. I was not like that. Because when I raised my vibration, I was happy. Everything was then following me. Okay. So this is a very important affirmation. How many of you can relate to yourself, this thing? Lovely. Awesome, guys. So now you know how important it is to be happy currently. And tomorrow we are going to do spiritual ways to attract money. You will love this session because इसमें आपके बहुत सारे questions answer होने वाले, right? Now today's exercise is your money neuroplasticity. How many stings you gave yourself, that is your assignment. आप post करना कि अभी तक कितने sting दे चुके हो. कुछ लोगों ने हमको ये report किया है in our last few session की शिल्पा ये सब एक्सरसाइज इतनी पावरफुल है कि इसको पहनने के बाद डर के मारे एक भी नेगेटिव थॉट ही नहीं आया. तो लोगों के साथ ऐसा भी हुआ है और कुछ लोगों के साथ 15-20 स्टिंग्स ये भी हुए हैं. सो आई वुड लव टू नो योर एक्सपीरियंस. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच गाइस. थैंक यू. Spurti, Pankaj, Tushar, Seema, Rajveer, lovely. Strain your mind, right? That's today's theme. Ruchi is saying, can we do 5, 4, 3, 2, 1? Absolutely, you can. But क्या होता है ना, ये क्यों powerful है? Because there is a connection of we are bringing your mind likes that physical action. जब मैं क्यों आपसे बोलती हूँ आप टाइप करो, क्योंकि your mind is listening to you. Yeah, you are engaging your subconscious mind when you write. So हमें कोई physical activity करनी है. So like this thing helps, gives your mind a signal that something is wrong. That's why that connection we are making with everything, we are making connection. Like with this rubber band, we are making connection. आपको आप conscious aware रहोगे कुछ दिन के लिए about your negative thoughts. फिर आपकी आदत बन जाएगी positive सोचने के लिए. That's why just to initiate, to start, then you don't have to wear it forever. Okay. All right, and guys, do take a note of how money from different sources are happening and acknowledge. See, in a relationship, you have to acknowledge your partner, right? In the same way, you have a relationship with Lakshmi. So whatever is coming your way, acknowledge, at least acknowledge karo usko ki aa raha hai from where, because you are changing your thoughts, you are changing your vibration. From what all sources better things are happening, acknowledge. You can acknowledge in the WhatsApp group, you can acknowledge in the Facebook group that we have, wherever, but do acknowledge. Okay, thank you so much. Bandy, both ways, what you are writing, both ways it happens. With changing thought, is it that money starts flowing? It's no, with changing thoughts, you start feeling better, because every thought and every word and every feeling has vibration. So when you change your thought, you start feeling better about yourself, about the world. And when you feel better, that's when you are raising your vibration, your frequency to match the frequency of abundance that you want. Tushar is saying positive things are happening as we are meeting day by day. Your law of attraction is working. Lovely, Tushar. And I'm sure it is happening because you're doing exercises and you're taking actions and you're changing and you're ready to change. That is also very important. Very important that we also unlearn many things. Unlearning is equally important. Sindhu, you write. What is the affirmation you want to write for 2 lakh? So affirmation is something what you like. So for what you like, for what you want, this money, how will you use it? Pankaj, the recordings are every day in the WhatsApp group. Guys, you know, the thing is, affirmation to karna hi hai, which is important, but more important than affirmation is your thoughts and changing your core, the root. That is more, that will be more effective, changing your negative thoughts and beliefs. Affirmations तब काम करते हैं जब आप internally first अपने thought level change करते हो. Okay, so just mindlessly doing affirmation will not help you so much. Everything together that we are learning will help you. Okay, Tushar, I don't remember yours, but then I will definitely see. Sandhya, I easily and happily manifest money through the power of my subconscious mind. That is an amazing affirmation. See, whose question was a Sindhu? Such an amazing affirmation Sandhya has given. Take it down. I easily and happily manifest money through the power of my subconscious mind. Lovely. Jignesh is also saying, just in 2 days of session, I'm started to receive positive things and in my life. I have learned some new things about my lack mentality, which I was not aware of. Thank you, in the process of dismantling and clearing it. Lippy, so you see the recording, okay? You can check the recording. We will share it. You can do aram se, no hurries. Nehal is saying 2 days session done and I started receiving money each day in cash as well as kind. Waiting for today, day 3 magic. That's so amazing. Wow. Thank you for sharing it here. This is money class, Manish. Time management ke liye join MDM 5 a.m. Okay, we will stick to the core subject of this session. All right. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. Have a blessed day. I'll see you tomorrow. Wait. Tomorrow is Friday. We will start little late, guys. Okay. We will start around 7:30 is what we need to start. Don't worry if you miss it. Recording तो हमेशा आपके पास रहेगी, हमेशा नहीं मतलब संडे तक रहेगी, आप recording पे देख लेना. So 7:30 is what tomorrow we will start. Just please take a note of it, everyone, please. Life has changed after joining you, Payal. So sweet. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day. Bye bye.